Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of this effect doesn't work on your device. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your TikTok application, and whenever you go to the effect option, if any of the effect is not working, just take a screenshot of it. That's all. Go back, go to your profile section, then click on the three-line button from the top right corner, click on the settings and privacy. Scroll down, click on report a problem. After that, you scroll down, you'll be able to find a section that is videos and sounds. Click on it. Then again you have to scroll down and you'll be find another section that is beauty or filters or effects and templates. Here it is, so you have to click on this. Now there are 5 options. You have to click on using filters and effects. Then you can see that they are suggesting you some solution like make sure you have logged into your account, upgrade to the latest version, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and clear the app cache and restart the application. So you have to follow all these 4 steps. So still if you don't find any solution, you can see there is a question at the bottom part that is your problem resolved? Click now. Then again an option appeared that is need more help. Click on it. Then in this section you have to search the TikTok customer service to solve the particular problem. Like I'm facing problem using this particular effect. You have to indicate the name of that particular effect. Then you have to go to the image section and you have to upload the photo or a screenshot that you have taken. That you have to click submit, and that's all. The report will be submitted and hopefully customer service will try to solve it. And still if it doesn't work, you can comment down below. I will try to find another way. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.